impossible, kinda wild thing to say. Let's get off it before we get started. This could turn from a good thing to hate. Keep it shallow for our own sake. Don't wanna play with the